I'm Santo and I will take you through how to sell ebooks online. Ebooks are digital products which are made and sold online by publishers or writers. Here the writer doesn't meet the buyer in person but both interact through a platform where sales are made. Here we see a writer publishing an ebook and sells online and makes that particular cash. Now let's look at steps to start publishing and sell ebooks online. First, you need electronic device, a laptop or a smartphone for accessing internet and typing, also in publishing the book online. Number two, you need software, apps, or so just software which will aid in formatting, designing the pages of your ebook. You can also use the following. You can choose to use the following. I think these ones are free and they cannot be charged. They are inbuilt mostly on the phone or the desktop itself. If you are using a phone, you can use Microsoft Word. If you choose a desktop, then it has a Word document. The Word document, that one you can use. Both are for free and you can do it offline. Number three, you have the selection of topics. This is very key. Here you have to understand your audience and pick an attractive title. Then also you have to select a category with more readers. Ensure your article has some kind of value. 4, when it comes to marketing and sales, here you need to stand out in the market. Make your ebook attractive as possible. You can use Canva for making the designs, making and designing the ebook, and smart mockups for making a HD ebook covers. When it comes to making those sales, you can use the following platform. You have Gumroad and Payhip, which are the most popular ones. Then we have online stores to sell like Amazon and partnership with them, though they pick some percentage commission per every sale. Ebooks, you have to know your audience need. This helps you to pick category and make more sales. You just need to be consistent and promote your product on social media. Otherwise, thanks for watching. That's all we had for you in this video. You can also watch other videos to learn more about various businesses in this channel. Be sure to like, subscribe and share not to miss out whenever a new video is released. Bye bye.